to make your plan A work, the reality is this, yeah? Because I used to have this mindset where I don't need a plan B because plan A has to work, blah, blah, blah. The one thing I've learned, yeah, is you have to understand about flexibility. And what I mean by that is you need to move with logic and not emotion. Before, I used to move with emotion, yeah? And that was, I'm not feeling to do this because I don't want to do this. It don't make me happy or blah blah blah. Like it's just not me or whatever. Like no, 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 no. You gotta move pragmatic. If it's something that like think about it. It's about strategy, right? If this was, I want to give an example. Let's say, for example, my plan A. This is a true story. My plan A was to do music. I never ever thought at one point that I would stop doing music. I never thought that. I never ever thought that. It never crossed my mind until that time when I stopped doing music. Do you understand? So I should have had a plan B. But I thought that plan A was going to work. But it didn't work. Whose fault is that? That's my fault. But at the same time, again, flexibility, because you don't know what the hell's going to happen in the next minute, let alone tomorrow. You don't know what's going to happen. Yeah, there's certain things that happen in your life and in your career that can change in a second. That will make you, like, think about it, there's so many people that have different type of careers. Now, if you look, for example, I don't know, let's use, for example, 50 Cent. Yeah, he's the only example I can think of at the moment. He had a music career. Even prior to that, he had a career in the streets. Yeah, obviously it was temporary. Boom. Then he had a music career. Again, it was temporary, even though he had a long run. But then, now he's got a career in movies or TV shows as well. You see what I mean? And and also between that, he has business careers or a business career. So the point is, suppose his only plan A was just to make money, by pushing drugs or whatever, and that was his only plan A. But instead, he's a hustler. He will make money by any means that makes sense. Even Master P does it. He's got his hands in so many pies. I think he even sells pies. If he doesn't already, then he's got flipping wrap snacks. He's got the noodles. Look at me. How do I know this? Because I research who I admire in it. Get me? So big on Master P in it. But the point I'm trying to make is, stop worrying about plan A. Focus on this. Focus on what you believe is your true personalized mission on earth. Yeah? And just continue to enhance your skills in regards to that and do what is necessary. But be open-minded. Be flexible to situations and to opportunities. Because you never know where it's going to lead you. It can lead you into something even greater. Because who would have thought that I would have ended up having an organization such as the Alkebulantrust? I mean, alright, cool. At 7 years old, I did say that, boom, I wanted to help heal the world and stuff like that. But like, at the same time, in my teens, I didn't even fathom that I would start an organization like this. Do you see what I'm saying? I didn't even think about it. My main focus, my plan A was to do music. It was to do music. So much so that the church that I grew up in, they call me rapper. How's the rapper? Do you see what I'm saying? So that was my plan A. So much to the point that that was my nickname. Imagine. But what's interesting, my other nickname, here's another thing. My other nickname, growing up, especially my foster mom, she would always call me the professor. But that was when I was doing, I did like a play. I can't remember what year it was, in primary school. And lo and behold, years later, I got an organisation and I'm more or less like a professor, innit? So that's interesting. I just deep that right now. But I'm going to end this video as longer than it should be. But click the link in the description box below to become a member of the Alkebulan Trust so you can get access to courses such as career and business. And that's where we're going to learn what a true personal ambition on earth is, aka your purpose. Like I said, be open-minded to opportunities and all that stuff there. And the course to do with healthcare, learn how to strengthen your mental health. So when you get into sticky situations where you feel like you may have to go through a situation and it's kind of tough, you'll know what to do there and then. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in the videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.